The iPhone Air is one of the most surprising phones Apple has made in years. At first glance, it almost seems like a gimmick, a paper-thin iPhone that prioritizes looks over substance. But after spending time with it, I can honestly say this device doesn't feel like a compromise. Apple has delivered pro-level performance, a versatile 48-megapixel camera, and a bright 6.5-inch OLED display, all packed into a body that measures just 5.6mm thin. Yes, there are some trade-offs, mainly around battery life and the absence of an ultra-wide lens, but overall, this phone represents a bold new step in Apple's design philosophy. It's a phone you really have to hold in your hand to believe. Apple positioned the iPhone Air as a premium but approachable flagship. Starting at $999 for 256GB of storage, the Air sits right between the regular iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. While the price tag is $100 more than the iPhone 16 Plus, it replaces, remember, that older phone started with just 128GB of storage. So in effect, you are getting double the price storage with no real price hike. iPhone Air pre-orders from September 12 and the release date is September 19. This puts the iPhone Air right in line with Apple's usual fall release cadence. The iPhone Air doesn't bring the triple lens setup of its Pro siblings, but the single 48-megapixel fusion camera is no slouch. In fact, it's designed to mimic the flexibility of multiple lenses. With 2x optical quality zoom baked in, you effectively get the versatility of 4 lenses in one. The key upgrades is Photonic Engine for improved detail and color accuracy, larger sensor for stronger low light performance, and center stage 18-megapixel front camera that auto switches from portrait to landscape when multiple people enter the frame. This smart sensor trick is more than a gimmick, it makes group selfies and video calls way more natural. Verdict on the camera is, it won't beat the iPhone 17 Pro Max in advanced photography, but it absolutely competes in everyday shooting, Instagram posting, and TikTok content creation. The iPhone Air is more than just Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, it's proof that slim doesn't have to mean weak. With its flagship level performance, gorgeous design, and versatile camera, the Air could easily be the sweet spot iPhone for people who don't need Pro Max specs but still want something that feels premium. The only real question mark is battery life. If it holds up in real-world testing, this iPhone could be one of Apple's best-selling devices in 2025. It's stylish, it's powerful, and it's the iPhone that's going to turn heads, not just because it's thin, but because it's genuinely practical.